kids! Welcome back to Magic Toy Motion. Today we're learning all about amazing vehicles.
Sports car. Car. Classic car. Truck. Trailer truck. Bus. Van. Police car. Ambulance. Fire truck. Military vehicle. Taxi. Caravan. Motorcycle. Scooter. All-terrain vehicle. Off-road vehicle. Excavator. Bulldozer. Loader. Grader. Skid steer loader. Forklift. Mini excavator. Road roller. Dump truck. Crane. Street sweeper. Snowplow.
Wow, that was an amazing video. We had so much fun learning together. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Magic Toy Motion for more awesome videos about cars, trucks, and cool machines. See you next time. Bye-bye.